What's up, guys? So today is very quick trades, quick day for me. So I traded two stocks, CELG and Red Hat. So let's start with CELG. So I kind of missed this opening range breakup. I found this a bit late. On the daily level, it was very strong. It gapped up. But I didn't take a contrarian type of trade because I saw that on the 15 minute it was basically making higher highs. On the 5 minute, it was making another higher high. And so I basically took a small size, I think 300 shares. Oh no, yeah, I had 300 shares or 500 shares. It popped up, and I just, oh no, 300 shares. 300 shares popped up, and I basically scaled out. Now it's making higher highs again on the 1 minute. This is how it looked like when I entered my trade. So I got stuck at this level for quite a bit, and then on the way up, I just went in 300 shares. I was going to get out once it loses my entry, but it didn't. It went up and picked up 29 bucks off of this trade. So as you can see here, basically did a mini ABCD here on the 1 minute chart. Yeah, this would have been a nice run if you had a good entry. 935 could break this, so on the way back up, enter 927. Good, made it, good run. But what I did here, the next trade on Red Hat. So for Red Hat, on the daily level, I saw that it was near the high here, and so on the 15 minute, it was making lower lows again. So it had this long drop, but it was still very weak. So it was weak on the 15, it was weak on the 5. It did this move trying to go up to VWAP, didn't do it, broke down again. So I went in for a short. 1 minute, how that looked like was this. So this is probably what happened. It tried to hit VWAP, couldn't do it, and it slowly just lost it. And then I saw that it was sort of holding this level for quite a bit, like about 10 minutes or so. So I went short here, small size, 300 shares, popped up, couldn't hold this. So on the way down, I added another 200 shares. It finally broke this level, and then I quickly started covering because this is actually a pretty big move. That's 109 where I entered, and then 131 when I entered again. And then 108.9, 108.75, 108.24. So it's almost a dollar move at the very bottom here. So it's big moves. So looks like it's going to be I don't know. It's holding this level. We'll see what happens. If it loses this, it may do a pretty big drop. It loses this level. But yeah, the spread is not that bad. Before when I traded, the spread was pretty bad. Yep, there you go. See, there's a 20-cent drop like that. But yeah, so that's my trade there. I would have gone out, so that would be my exit right here, where I entered, and if it popped up above this EMA, bam, I'll be out. Don't want to stay in there. That's sort of my mistakes that I've noticed whenever I lose money is hold it too long. Gotta have some predefined stops, and I always like the moves where it makes a pullback. If you can't hold it, then you're out. Yeah, that's a very, very good sign. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to continue to make videos over the next 2 weeks or so, but I'm not 100% sure since I am traveling to Japan for vacation. So I have international internet access, but I'm not sure how well that is for trading and the time zone difference and all that. So not sure, but I'll try to trade and I'll try to record my trades as well to continue my journal, which I freely put online. But yeah, I'll do that. But if you don't hear from me for 2 weeks, that's why. Anyway, best of luck to everyone.